Connect to 120 volts power supply. Turn on the ignition. Dashboard lights up. Turn the knob left to turn on the headlight. Turn the knob left again to turn on the headlights. Pull the knob forward to turn on the front fog lights. Pull the knob forward to turn on the rear fog lamp. Turn on hazard lights. The dashboard shows. Turn off hazard lights. Turn on brake lights. Turn on the reversing lights. Adjust headlight height. Turn the steering switch down to turn on the left turn signal. Turn the steering switch upward to turn on the right turn signal. Reset steering switch. Turn off all lights. Turn off ignition switch. Disconnect the power.